Your hands, tuck your back toes under. Shift your weight towards your outer left hip. Come into revolved head to knee pose for a side body stretch. Plant your hands down facing the back of the mat. Hug your left knee into your chest. And then inhale for 3 like a downward dog. Kick that left leg high. Bend your knee. Open your hip. Come into wild thing. Open your heart. Plant your left hand down, come back into downward dog, taking a full breath here. Plant your left foot forward in between your hands. Reach your arms back behind you. And then inhale, sweep the arms high, high lunge. Draw hands to heart center, inhale, and exhale for your prayer twist. And gently drop your back knee down, extend the arms out wide. Reverse low lunge, left hand rests gently on the back right thigh. Cartwheel your hands down inside of your left foot, coming into Skandasana side lunge. Tuck the back toes under, bend deeply into the left knee, sink the hips down, hands can come to heart center. Warrior 2, facing the front of the mat, lift the hips high, bend into your right knee and extend the arms. Soften the shoulders, soften the gaze. Inhale, reach the arms up, interlace the fingers and flip your palms. Come into that extended side angle variation, reaching the palms forward. Press down through the right foot, straighten through your right leg, lean back for a reverse triangle variation. Lean forward for triangle pose, releasing the interlaced fingers. Right hand comes down, left arm high.